tomato, green peas, snake goat rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fried rice recipes and one of the most delicious of the green peas recipes. Today we are going to make snake goat green peas tomato rice. The ingredients are 250 grams of snake goat cut into pieces, 3 tomatoes cut into pieces, 25 grams of ginger, 20 to 25 shallots, 25 grams of garlic and 2 green chillies. 150 grams of green peas soaked in water for 4 hours. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the shallots. Half the ginger and the garlic together. And shallots. Keep on sauteing. Start to mix the ginger and the garlic. Put in the tomato pieces. Thoroughly salt and mix. Put in 2 spoons of mixture spices. Mix thoroughly. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Put in the snake gourd pieces. Put in the green chili. Mix thoroughly. Mix in the snake gourd pieces and the green chilies with the tomatoes and the rest of the mix. Thoroughly mix. Put in the green peas. Mix in the green peas thoroughly. Thoroughly mix in the green peas. Pour in 6 gallons of water. Mix thoroughly. And let the mixture cook for 10 to 12 minutes if in the pressure cooker, or 25 to 30 minutes if in an open pan. Now, after the required amount of cooking, put in the 1 cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix thoroughly and let the mixture cook for 6 to 8 minutes. if in a pressure cooker or 15 minutes if in an open pan. Now the green peas, tomato, snake rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final snake gourd, green peas, tomato rice, or tomato, green peas, snake gourd rice. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fried rice recipes and one of the most unique of the green peas recipes and one of the most nutritious of the tomato recipes and one of the most different of the snake gourd recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.